I never could stay sober on the Corpus Christi Bay. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Corpus Christi Bay by Robert Earl Keen. The first thing you need to do to play Corpus Christi Bay, either with Robert Earl or with me in the play along video, is get yourself a capo and put it on the 3rd fret. For the purpose of all the chords, I'm going to refer to the frets from the 3rd fret up. So this is going to be the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and so forth. To play the G chord, first finger hangs loose, middle finger goes in the 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger gets the 6th string, 3rd fret, pinky gets the 1st string, 3rd fret, and you play all 6. The reason you leave your first finger out is that fast change at the end of the first phrase of every verse. So you're going from the G to a C, and if you're fingering it without your first finger, then these two just move over a string, first finger goes down, and then you go back. If I don't pull my fingers up, you almost can't tell I've moved them, there and there. So the C is going to be first finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 5th string, 3rd fret. So move them both at once. If you move everything at once, it makes it a lot faster. So start off practicing it slow. And don't do what I call the spider dance. Just move them with as little motion as possible. Next chord is a D, much more closely related to the G than most people realize, so start from that same position. Leave your middle finger and your ring finger in that same position relative to each other. Slide them down to the 1st and 2nd string. And then your first finger goes in the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Play 4 strings, and you've got a D. In the instrumental interlude, if you'd like to play that, there's an F chord. The good way to play it is you bar all the way across that 1st fret. First finger gets the 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger gets the 5th string, 3rd fret, and your pinky gets the 4th string, 3rd fret also, and play all 6. If you can't get that quite fast enough, you can always so you play the C chord, rock your first finger over, so now it's playing 2 strings. Your middle finger moves just 1 fret to the 3rd string. Your ring finger moves 1 fret to the 4th string. On to the strumming pattern. Your steady beat is just going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and try that while hitting the strings. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all of a sudden that fast hit is just a matter of changing chords. Your hand is going to be there anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm skipping the ups on those. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Throughout most of the rest of the song, I'm skipping the and of 1 and the down of 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Notice my hand doesn't stop moving. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. This does 2 things. It helps you keep steady beat, and also the upbeat sounds different from the downbeat, so we have the downbeats where they're supposed to be. That's the basics that you need to play Corpus Christi Bay. Don't be afraid to add your own embellishments. Make it your song. That's why you're learning to play it yourself. Don't forget to check below the video to find a chord chart for this song, a link to the play-along video, as well as links to other songs you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box that's for your questions. If you don't understand something, you're having a hard time working something out, I probably left something out. Please feel free to ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Corpus Christi Bay by Robert Earl Keen. Thank you for watching.